Assalamu alaikum students, welcome back to my channel. Today we are exploring cervical spondylitis. So without any further delay, let's start the video. Cervical spondylitis is a general term for age-related wear and tear affecting the spinal disc in your neck. As the disc dehydrates and shrinks, the signs of the osteoarthritis develop, including the bony projections along the edges of the bones. Cervical spondylitis is very common and worsens with age. More than 85% of the people older than the age 60 are affected by the cervical spondylitis. What are the main causes of the cervical spondylitis? Spondylitis is caused by the chronic wear on the spine. This includes the disc or cushion between the neck vertebrae and the joint between the bones of the cervical spine. Over time, these changes can press down on one or more of the nerve roots. In advanced cases, the spinal cord becomes involved. What are the main symptoms of the cervical spondylitis? The pain in the neck portion of the spine, and it occurs due to the compression of the spinal cord and nerve roots from the disc-conditioned bones, porous and thick ligaments. In most cases, the pain of the cervical spondylitis increases with movement. The reason for this phenomena is the compression of the nerve root during the movement of the cervical vertebrae. Pain in the arms may be the symptom of the cervical spondylitis. It occurs due to the compression on the nerve that extends into the arm through the neck portion of the spine. Besides pain, cervical spondylitis can cause weakness, numbness, and cramping the arm. What should I avoid with cervical spondylitis? Avoid sleeping where an air conditioner or a fan blows directly at you. Keep your head straight while standing or walking. Do not tilt your head up or down. Do not tilt your head down while reading, as this will increase more load on your neck muscles than normal. How to treat cervical neck pain at home? Move more. You may have heard that rest is the best remedy for the muscle pain and neck stiffness. Hot and cold therapy using ice packs or heating pads can help relieve neck pain fast. Over-the-counter medications, postural changes, neck pain exercises. What deficiency causes cervical pain? The deficiency of the magnesium can lead to the neck pain, muscle soreness, and the muscle tension. And here, I provide some sources of the magnesium. What is the latest treatment for the spondylitis? For many people, a physical therapist can treat people non-surgically. Some others may benefit from interventional procedures such as injections or radiofrequency ablation. In cases where spondylitis is related, anatomic changes requires removal or release of tissues, a spine surgeon will become involved. So that's it for today's video. Thanks for being the part of the therapy kingdom. See you in the next one. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more content.